Hey everyone, welcome back to another quick tech tutorial. Today, we're diving into something super handy on Instagram: how to view your archived posts. If you're like me, you might have old stories or posts that you've archived to keep your profile clean, but then you forget how to find them. Especially with Instagram's updates in 2025, it's easier than ever, but let's walk through it step by step so you don't miss a beat. This is perfect for anyone wanting to revisit memories or even unarchive content for a fresh look. First things first, make sure you're on the latest version of the Instagram app. Open it up on your phone and head to your profile by tapping the profile icon at the bottom right. Once you're there, look for the three horizontal lines in the top right corner. That's your menu. Tap on it, and you'll see a list of options. Scroll down until you find Archive. Go ahead and tap that. Now, in the Archive section, you'll see two main tabs, one for your archived stories and another for your archived posts. If you're looking for posts, select the Posts tab. Here, you can browse through everything you've archived over time. It's like a hidden vault of your Instagram history. For 2025, Instagram has made this even more user-friendly with better search options, so if you have a lot of content, use the search bar at the top to find specific posts quickly. A quick tip: if you want to unarchive something, just tap on the post, hit the three dots in the top right, and select Show on Profile. That brings it back to your main feed. Remember, archiving is private, so only you can see this stuff. Great for keeping things organized without deleting them forever. There you have it, you've now mastered viewing archived posts on Instagram in 2025. If this helped, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more tips, and drop a comment below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.